there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of hybrid seeds and discussing the 4 pros and cons of this revolutionary technology. First up, disease resistance. With hybrid seeds, farmers can grow crops that are more resistant to disease, saving time and effort in managing their fields. This is a huge plus for the environment and crop yields. Secondly, uniformity. The controlled crossbreeding process of hybrid seeds results in crops with consistent quality and characteristics. This means farmers can count on their yields and know exactly what they're getting from their crops. Thirdly, high yields and performance. Hybrid seeds often have higher yields than traditional varieties, which is great news for farmers looking to maximize their profits. They also tend to perform better in different environments, which makes them versatile worldwide. Now for the cons. Cost is a major one. Hybrid seeds are more expensive upfront than traditional varieties, which could be a challenge for small-scale farmers working on tight budgets. Secondly, limited seed availability could be an issue if these seeds are not made widely accessible. Thirdly, saving seed from hybrids can be less effective than saving seeds from open-pollinated varieties due to genetic diversity issues. This could limit farmer autonomy over their seed supply in the future. Finally, patent issues could mean that large companies control the supply of these seeds in some regions. Not always a good thing for small-scale farmers. That's all for our chat on hybrid seeds today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content like this one. Until next time, keep learning and growing.